Imagine owning your dream property without the burden of a huge upfront payment. In 2026, the real estate market is expected to see a major boom in off plan projects, offering an incredibly attractive 1% monthly payment plan. These plans are designed to make property ownership easier, more accessible, and more flexible for investors and end users alike. Off plan properties are those that are available for purchase before construction is complete. Buying off plan has several advantages. First, it gives buyers the chance to own a property at a lower price than ready units. Developers usually offer discounts, flexible payment terms, and promotional packages to attract early investors. Second, it allows buyers to choose the best units, floors, and layouts before the property is completed, ensuring maximum satisfaction. And third, the potential for capital appreciation is significant, especially in markets where property values are rising. The 1% monthly payment plan is one of the most attractive offers in the market today. It allows buyers to pay just 1% of the total property price each month until the project is completed. This means you can secure your property without a heavy financial burden. For example, if a property is priced at $200,000, you would only need to pay $2,000 per month, making it much easier to manage your finances while still investing in a high-value asset. One of the key benefits of this plan is financial flexibility. Buyers first secure the property with the mandatory 20% down payment, which is standard across most projects. After this initial payment, the remaining amount is spread through a 1% monthly payment plan, allowing buyers to continue paying gradually over time instead of arranging a large lump sum. This structure eases cash flow pressure, helps buyers manage expenses more comfortably, and reduces reliance on high-interest loans, making property ownership more practical and cost-effective for both investors and end users. In addition, off-plan projects often come with modern designs, advanced facilities, and amenities that appeal to contemporary buyers. Developers are focusing on creating lifestyle-oriented communities with features like swimming pools, gyms, retail spaces, and parks. By investing in off-plan projects with flexible payment plans, buyers not only secure a property but also become part of a community designed for convenience and luxury. Another advantage is the potential for high returns on investment. Buying off-plan at early stages often means lower prices. Once construction is completed, the value of the property typically increases, giving buyers a chance to sell at a profit or rent it out at premium rates. Investors who understand market trends can take advantage of these plans to maximize returns while spreading payments over time. When considering an off-plan project with a 1% monthly payment plan, it's important to research the developer's reputation, track record, and project timeline. Reliable developers ensure that projects are completed on schedule and with high-quality standards. It's also wise to review the terms and conditions of the payment plan carefully to avoid hidden fees or complications. The 2026 real estate market is poised to reward buyers who act strategically. With low interest rates, growing demand for residential and commercial properties, and innovative payment options, off-plan projects with 1% monthly payment plans are likely to remain in high demand. Whether you are looking to buy your first home, invest in rental properties, or diversify your portfolio, these plans provide an excellent opportunity to enter the market with confidence. Don't miss out on this chance to own property without the stress of large upfront payments. Off-plan projects with 1% monthly payment plans make property ownership achievable, practical, and financially smart. Start exploring options today, choose the project that fits your needs, and take a step toward a secure investment future. If you want to stay updated with the latest real estate trends, investment opportunities, and tips to make smart property decisions in 2026, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Hit that subscribe button and never miss valuable insights that can help you grow your wealth through property.